Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is about earth materials, properties, local availability, and their role in human activities and industries. This is quarter 4, Earth and Space Science for grade 11, General Science. Again, this is quarter 4, Earth and Space Science, Lesson 5, Earth Materials, Properties, Local Availability, and their role in human activities and industries. Our intended learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, learners will be able to identify and characterize major earth materials in the Philippines, recognize the distinctive properties of key rocks, minerals, and soil types found locally, connect earth materials to their explanations, explain how the specific properties of these materials make them valuable for various human activities and industries such as construction, agriculture, and manufacturing. Recognize the economic and industrial significance of local resources. Understand the role of earth materials in the country's economy and how their local availability supports both large-scale industries and everyday life. The Philippines, a nation rich in geological diversity due to its location on the Pacific Ring of Fire, possesses a wide array of valuable earth materials. These resources, including rocks, minerals, and soils, have distinctive properties that are fundamental to human activities and industrial development. Rocks and minerals. The Philippines' active geological setting has blessed it with significant deposits of both metallic and non-metallic minerals. These are concentrated in major islands like Luzon and Mindanao. Copper and gold. The country is a leading producer of copper and a significant producer of gold. These metals are typically found in the porphyry deposits, large, low-grade mineral formations created by volcanic activity. The distinctive properties include excellent conductivity for copper and malleability for gold, making them essential for electronics, wiring, and jewelry. The Cordillera Administrative Region is particularly known for its gold resources, while large copper deposits are found in areas like the Zambales province and Mindanao. Nickel and chromite. The Philippines is one of the world's top producers of nickel and major source of chromite. These are often found in ultramafic complexes in regions like Surigao and Palawan. Nickel's properties of corrosion resistance and strength make it vital for producing stainless steel and alloys for batteries. Chromite is the primary source of chromium, used to harden steel and for plating. Limestone and marble. As an archipelago with ancient coral reefs uplifted by tectonic forces, the Philippines has extensive deposits of limestone and its metamorphic counterpart, marble. These nonmetallic minerals are widely available, particularly in Cebu and Romblon. Limestone's properties make it a key raw material for cement manufacturing, which is crucial for the construction industry. Marble, known for its aesthetic appeal, hardness, and ability to take a polish, is widely used for building facades, countertops, and decorative products. Soils. The varied geology, tropical climate, and abundant organic matter have produced a diverse range of soil types across the Philippines, each with properties that dictate its agricultural use. Volcanic and loamy soils. Most of the country's Many of the country's most fertile soils are derived from volcanic ash. These volcanic soils are rich in minerals and have excellent water retention, making them ideal for growing staple crops like rice, corn, and root crops. These soils support the country's thriving agricultural sector, particularly in the central plains of Luzon. Clay soils, found in many lowland areas. Clay soils are characterized by the fine texture and high water holding capacity. While they can be challenging to farm due to, due to poor drainage, they are crucial for a different kind of industry, pottery, and ceramics. The distinctive plasticity of clay allows it to be molded into various shapes which harden when fired, supporting a vibrant local crafts industry. Lateritic soils, formed in tropical climates with heavy rainfall. Lateritic soils are rich in iron and aluminum oxides, while often less fertile for agriculture. These soils are valuable, are sources of metallic ores, particularly nickel and aluminum, which can be extracted through surface mining. The second intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, learners are expected to A. Identify and describe the distinctive properties of rocks, minerals, and soils found in the Philippines. Letter B. Explain the local availability and distribution of these earth materials using maps, charts, or samples. Letter C. Analyze how rocks, minerals, and soils are harnessed to support human activities and industries. Letter D. Evaluate the importance of sustainable management of earth resources to balance economic growth and environmental protection. Letter E. Demonstrate appreciation of how earth materials contribute to everyday life by citing real-world examples from Philippine industries. Introduction. Each earth materials such as rocks, minerals, and soils form the foundation of human civilization. They provide essential raw materials for construction, agriculture, energy production, and manufacturing. In the Philippines, the archipelago's complex geology, shaped by plate tectonics and volcanism, make it rich in a variety of natural resources. However, responsible management is crucial to ensure these materials are used sustainably. Rocks, distinctive properties, classified as igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic based on origin. Properties include hardness, texture, color, and mineral composition. Local availability. Igneous rocks, the basalt and the andesite from volcanic activity found in Bicol and also in Mindanao. Sedimentary rocks, limestone, can be found in Palawan, Cebu, Bohol, source of cement and lime. Metamorphic rocks, marble from Romblon and in Mindoro, known for quality and aesthetic value. We'll have the next part of our Earth and Space Science lesson number 5.